Hey mamas, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. In today's video, as you can see from the title, we will be working with the lovely Amanda Hair. They went ahead and sent me this 13x4 lace frontal wig unit in 24 inches, 250 density, and the texture water wave. So this is what it's giving: fullness, volume, everything, lightweight, soft, just all you need in a wig and more. And it's the summertime, so you know the curls are out, period. So if you would like to see how I did my glueless install baby hair styling and the end results, just keep on watching until the end. I do give a little mini review in the end also, just in case you are wondering or wanted to know more about this hair. Then definitely stay tuned to the end. The links for this unit will be in my description box if you'd like to purchase off rip, which I would highly recommend because the hair is such good quality. And let's jump into today's tutorial.
Stallion, ain't no stable, no, you stay on the run. Ain't on the side, you're number one. Yeah, every time I come around, you get it done. 50-50, love the way you split it. 100 racks, we spit it, babe. Light a match, get lit, it, babe. The jet set, watch the sunset come. Yeah, yeah. Pulling eyes back in my head, make my toes curl, yeah, yeah. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum, that yummy, yummy. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum. We work my way, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. Any day, yeah, we work my way, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. In the morning or late, yeah, work my way. Standing up, keep me on the rise. Lost control of myself, I'm compromised. You're incriminating, no disguise. And you ain't never running low on supplies. 50-50, love the way you split it. 100 racks, we spit it, babe. Light a match, get lit, babe. The jet set, watch the sunset come. Yeah, yeah. Pulling eyes back in my head, make my toes curl, yeah, yeah. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum. You stay flexing on me. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum. We work my way, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. Any day, yeah, we work my way, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. In the morning or late, yeah, we work my way. Up in the Lambo, I'm on my way. Drew house slippers on with a smile on my face. I'm a lady, that you are my lady. You got the yum, 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 yum. You got the yum, yum, yum. Oh. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, the yummy, yum, the yummy, yummy. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, the yummy, yum, the yummy, yum. We work my way, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. side, you're number one. Yeah, every time I come around, you get it done. 50-50, love the way you split it. 100 racks, so we spin it, babe. Light a match, get lit, babe. The jet set, watch the sunset come. Yeah, yeah. Pulling eyes back in my head, make my toes curl, yeah, yeah. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum, that yummy, yummy. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum. We work on my way, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. Any day, yeah, the work on my way, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. In the morning or late, yeah, the work on my way. Standing up, keep me on the rise. Lost control of myself, I'm compromised. You're incriminating, no disguise. And you ain't never running low on supplies. 50-50, love the way you split it. 100 racks, so we spin it, babe. Light a match, get lit, babe. The jet set, watch the sunset come. Yeah, yeah. Pulling eyes back in my head, make my toes curl, yeah, yeah. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum. Yeah, stay flexing on me. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum. We work on my way, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. Any day, yeah, the work on my way, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. In the morning or late, yeah, the work on my way. Up in the Lambo, I'm on my way. Drew house slippers on with a smile on my face. I'm elated that you are my lady. You got the yum, 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 yum. You got the yum, yum, yum. Oh. Whoa. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, the yummy, yum, the yummy, yummy. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, the yummy, yum, the yummy, yum. We work on my way, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. Any day, yeah, the work on my way, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. In the morning or late, yeah, the work on my way.
Okay mamas, so I am finally back with the finished product. This is what the hair is looking like. This wig is super duper gorgeous and it is from Amanda Hair. They went ahead and sent me this 13x4 lace frontal wig unit. It is in water wave, 250 density and 24 inches. I am living for these waves. They are super duper cute and effortless. Not only is the hair super soft, it is also extremely lightweight. So this 250 density fullness, this fullness and this much hair does not feel heavy and weighed down when it's time to style it in order for it to look like this. And it dries like a gem. It dries in literally no time. So I'm living for all of the benefits with this hair. So far so good. I haven't had any shedding, any tangling, anything abnormal. I haven't seen it with this wig. So far so good. It's a 10 out of 10 for me. So if you would like to purchase, links will be in the description box for you to do so. And I have nothing bad to say. So far so good. Everything is great. If I do have any updates, I will leave it in the comment section below as always. And if you have any questions or concerns, drop some comments and I will see you all in my next one. Bye mamas.